Let's look at Chapter 6, Lesson 1 Extension. We need to complete each puzzle. Now, looking at number 1, I need to figure out what times what equals 23. And I know that there's only one thing that equals 23 because it's a prime number. And I know that 23 times 1 equals 23. Number 2, 17 is also a prime number, so only 17 times 1 will equal 17. Number 3, same thing, 29 times 1 will equal 29. Let's look at 100. I need to think about 5 times what equals 100, or 100 divided by 5 equals what. I can also think that the number that's going to go in the 10 spot needs to be what times 5 equals 10. And I know that 2 times 5 equals 10. What goes in the 1 spot needs to equal 0. So 5 times 0 will equal 0. Do the same thing. I know that I need to multiply 4 times what to get 0, and 4 times what to get a total of 10. So let's look at that. And I know that I can multiply 4 times either a 0 or a 5 in order to get a 0 to be in the 1 spot. So I'm going to multiply 4 times 5, and I get 20, carry the 2, and I multiply 4 times what to get 10? Well, nothing 4 times what equals 10, but I'm adding 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 2 up top equals 10. Continue with this strategy in order to figure out numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9. Think about what numbers will equal the numbers that are given. Remember, they're puzzles, so they might be a little bit tricky to solve. Number 10. On sports day, 18 students were absent. The principal put the 400 remaining students into teams. Each team had 25 students. How many teams were there? So first off, I know that this first part right here does not need to be included. Cross it out so you don't get confused. I know that there's 400 students and that they're going to be in 25 students per team. So I can do two things. I can set up 25 times what equals 400, or I can do 400 divided by 25, and that will equal the total amount of teams. Use the strategy that works best for you in order to solve this problem.